The 1877 Elissa, one of the only ships of its kind restored to full sailing capacity, now departs Galveston for adventures at sea. Local volunteers and visitors experience the thrill and historic art of sailing aboard a 19th century vessel at special events throughout the year. During a voyage, volunteers with the Galveston Historical Foundation effortlessly maneuver on deck while pulling lines, preparing a hearty lunch, and communicating with officers. Overhead, they grasp timber masts and loosen lines connected to one of the 19 massive sails. Hundreds of years ago, a vessel like this operated with a crew of 12. Now it takes a few dozen volunteers to take her on the coastal waters. As part of Galveston Historical Foundation's seamanship training program, volunteers learn deck-based navigation roles or pursue heart-pounding activities like rigging, where they climb up the ship's 99-foot-tall main mast and unfurl sails. The program takes 7 months and 130 hours to complete. Elissa's origins are traced to a shipyard in Aberdeen, Scotland, where she was constructed as an iron-hulled, 3-masted vessel. For nearly a century, she sailed across the world, primarily as an independent freight ship. During 19th century voyages, Elissa made a few stops in Galveston for cotton shipments. This connection factored in the Galveston Historical Foundation's purchase and restoration of the ship in 1975. Elissa's 7-year restoration included extensive repairs to the hull and construction of new masts, sails, rigging, and the entire deck. Its recent certification as a sailing school vessel resulted in Elissa's status as seaworthy for the public's educational benefit. For those interested in learning the ropes aboard the Elissa and the campaign to keep her sailing, visit galvestonhistory.org. Read all about it in the latest issue of the Medallion at thc.texas.gov/medallion.